And now we get to fitting the barrel assembly. Gas block is held on with 2 pins. The front sight is held on with 1 pin. The muzzle nut is left hand threaded on. And this little plunger will lock into one of these grooves, keep it from spinning. Now, one little detail I made, since there's now the hole through the gas block that you can see all the way through, made a little fake piston that slides in. The screw comes in from the other side, holds it in place. Now it looks like there's something in there. For the gas tube, it's a little bit bigger than the Denix receiver. So I pushed in to get it started, and then had to use a mallet protecting this end with a block of wood, and tapped it in. Now it slightly bulges the receiver a little bit, and then it also flattens out these ribs. That's about how deep it should go. And the AGM barrel is about 2 millimeters smaller diameter than the Denix. So right now I've been using some tape to make up the difference, and so far it's still a tight fit. And that would just get pushed in. It would go farther, but this needs a little bit of force to go in all the way. So this won't be coming out very easily. The barrel, if I have enough tape built up, will be in there pretty rigid too.